I'm breaking my own unspoken rule here, but well, you can see why. Hey, and welcome to Solving After Effects. This video is a little different because I'm talking about a sort of plugin. I paid out of my own pocket for this. I have no financial arrangement with the company, but I have chatted with Stock3D's creator, Levi Borland. Plugins are huge time savers for VFX professionals whose time is valuable and who don't have hours or days to work out how to do something. For hobbyists like myself, we have the time, but online advice can make it easy to get sucked into maxing out your credit card, acquiring all the latest plugins. So why am I now talking about one? Because it does something I've not seen anywhere else. When you're trying to use stock footage, it can be a struggle to find something that matches the angle you need. Levi is a smart guy who created a solution to this. You can cycle through different angles of the same pre-rendered fire element. At the time of recording, what's available are 4 different fireballs, but Levi has told me he has plans to expand the library. What this means is, if I want a fireball in my comp, I don't have to be an expert in particle simulation. Instead, it's like I have a specialist to handle that for me. And because it's all pre-rendered 4K footage, it's not taxing my PC at all. Unlike regular 3D, I don't need a high-end GPU. Stock3D comes with a full tutorial, but here are a few of the features. In this comp, I've downloaded a free, royalty-free drone shot of a city from pexels.com. I've put it through After Effects Camera Tracker and I've masked out this building in the foreground, and I'll add an explosion behind the building. So I'll import my Stock3D AEP file into my project, and expanding the folder, I can see a comp called Stock3D Fireblast. And here I treat this comp like any other piece of stock footage. I can add it multiple times and so on. The comp is HD, though the footage is 4K at 50 frames per second. I would prefer the fireballs to last a little longer and be larger in the frame, but I can understand the need to keep the file sizes manageable. I'll solo the layer for a moment and you can see it comes with a guide. Following this, I'll expand the layer properties so that I can view the essential graphics properties. And I'll pick a fireball from the dropdown. And I pick my orientation. And how cool is this? I can select 4 fireballs from multiple angles. I'm going to use this vertically and in 3D space, so let's do that. I'll make the layer 3D, and with the benefit of time remapping, I'll slow it down and position, scale and orient it to how I want. Back in Essential Properties, I've got a few more controls to play with. The Wizard Tool checkbox is pretty self-explanatory, but Levi has also included smaller preview videos to make it less taxing on your computer as you set up the effect. I'll turn the sparks off to help sell it as a bigger fireball. So yeah, there's fun to be had here, and things like the glow baked in make it an easy plug-in stock footage to use. But I could have achieved this same shot with a regular 2D fireball. Where it comes into its own is in this second comp. I've taken another copy of Stock3D and animated it in 3D space to be some sort of energy blast firing on the city. But instead of coming into the shot at a 2D angle, I chose a different orientation and have it on screen much longer. And I changed the colour from the built-in options. Being a departure from my usual videos, I am interested to know if you'd like to see more of this sort of review/opinion. Boop that like button, which does wonders for my standing with YouTube's engagement algorithm. And if the clickbaity title got your attention and you're new to my channel, the subscribe button, yeah, you know the drill. Just a couple of other experiments to share with you. Here I time remapped and mixed 2 fireballs to recreate Stargate's Kawoosh. And here I used time remapping again, this time to freeze the fireballs at different times, recolored them using the Fire Control's Fire Color property, and positioned them in 3D space to give me an instant nebula. Clearly there's loads to explore. If you're interested, there's a link in the description. And that's it for this... Oh, you've gone already. I mean, you could have hung around for the end cards. There's some really useful tutorials in the Solvent playlist.